TechHub.training solution video. My name is Jason, and I'm gonna go through the solution video for the ChatGPT challenge, build your own coding assistant. So here I can go to my own ChatGPT, which is coding assistant. This is the configure tab where I write my whole instructions down, and in your instruction it should have at least two functions, which is to not provide a full solution when a user encounters an error or paste in a problem from their code, and another function is to quiz, which is basically generate a set of questions based on the topics that ChatGPT have covered when they explain down to you the problems to your previous code, or when you ask them about some of the Python topics. So here I can go to view my GPT and see that I have 4 conversation starters. You can add more or less conversation starters to your GPT and it's completely fine, but I would recommend at least 3. And to start this coding assistant building, I would go to explore GPTs on your top left section of the website and click on that button, and then go to the top right and click create. Here's that same configure tab where you have to fill in all of the requirements or instructions of your GPT, and that's basically it. I hope you guys enjoyed this solution video, and stay tuned for more videos. Okay, thank you.